Hey guys, welcome. Another day in Plus Performance, and I want to talk about the cheapest X5 in Malaysia. That's my thumbnail picture, by the way. So what happened? I bought the cheapest X5 in Malaysia for 5,000 ringgit. Everybody was like, how Tada, how? It's not rocket science because it wasn't a fully working X5. Just to go through, I bought the car for 5,000 ringgit. I spent about, I think about 700, 800 ringgit or close to 1k for the air spring. I spent about 700 bucks for the window regulator stuff. So I should be about 8,000 in. 8,000 in. And market price of this car is about 15, maybe 14,000. But is this car done? Well, not really. Tires had to be changed. I bought a set of used tires and they're not bad actually. Let me show you. I bought some 255, 45, R20. I bought some, where is this? I bought some Pirellis with quite a lot of tread on them. So these are usable. So you can see that is the halfway mark, and this is way above that. So yeah, this is definitely usable. Nice tires for my cheap X5 because tires are important. So that was about 1,000 plus. But now I've got another issue. The car keeps sinking. I changed the air spring, which is here, this piece there, but the car still keeps sinking. I park it overnight, I park in a slope, it sinks. Parking on a flat ground, not so bad, but overnight in a slope somewhere, the car again sinks, and it's hard as F. So we're trying to find out why it's leaking. And the thing about cars is that I like to buy cars that I've never bought or worked on before. So we learn about those cars, and we learned about how to diagnose where the leaks are. And what we found out was on this side, on the left hand side, there's a leak down here. You can just feel it. So we add water and we found the leak. But thank God, my air spring, only one was faulty and I had bought two. So my guys here now checking for leaks. Macam mana ada leak ah? Tada. Tengok balik. So a simple test. Air compressor in. Here we are, no leak. Okay, bagus. Okay, cukup. Ini my tinggi pressure. Okay, so we got one spare one, and the spare one is going in, and that should solve the problem. Hi Rubil, yes. Ini Rubil, ini Mohit. Rubil and Mohit, hero of the day. So yeah, the system is actually quite easy. So you got the air spring there. The absorbers are obviously new. I bought brand new absorbers. You can see there, they're all new. Oh yeah, I forgot to add the absorbers in. Correct, I bought absorbers. That's another 1,000 ringgit. Absorbers for the rear. So this is where it goes to, the valve. And there's a motor behind there. There's the accumulator valve, and the motor is there. So it pumps the motor pumps the accumulator, reservoir, tank, whatever. And from there it goes to the air spring. That's pretty much it. And you can set on this car how high you want it to be. We can set this car pretty high up, but the thing is, it's only rear air sus or rear air spring. So the front, we got to find another kit to raise the height. So technically, if I wanted to, I can buy a taller spring or some spacers, and I can make this car really tall. But right now on 20-inch, it's quite high. I'm happy with that. So all in cost, I think we will be at about close to 10k now. Yeah, 10k and counting on the cost for the X5. Will it hit 15,000? I don't know, but even if it does, it doesn't matter, because the beauty about these old BMs is that if you buy it used, the market will dictate what is the correct price. And I bought the right car at the right price, and fixing it up, even if I'm at 15k, which is market price, I know that I haven't overspent. And this car, I know that the shocks are new, the tires are new-ish, I know that the engine runs fine, I know that things like the air spring has been changed and it works. And yeah, and it's fun trying to figure out these things and making it work and having it sorted. So yeah, so I would definitely recommend you buying an old BMW. Just have the patience, just don't make it your only car, and you'll be fine. Okay, anyway, quick update on the X5. So far so good. Cheers guys, bye.